Hi everyone, and welcome to Lindstrom Studios. This channel helps designers and architecture students learn Rhino 3D step by step. This playlist follows the Rhino Training Manual Level 1, the same guide I used when I first learned Rhino in graduate school for architecture. Back then, it was completely new to me, and that manual helped me master it by practicing the exercises until I could complete them confidently on my own. I started this channel during the pandemic to support my students, and I soon realized I could reach a global audience, helping others learn Rhino faster so they can focus on what they truly want to do: design. You'll find links to download the training manual PDF and the auxiliary model files in the playlist description below. And if you'd like to follow along with the full Rhino Level 1 series, go ahead and subscribe. There's a lot more to come.